Stay tuned to find out how you could lose weight, gain strength, and tone your body in as little as 3 minutes a day, 4 times a week with your very own free Power Fit. Simply walking is great for your health, and you can run and jog to burn more calories and boost your immunity. But sometimes it's too wet and cold to get out, and who wants the hassle of going to the gym? Now you can walk for your health in the comfort of your own home. Introducing iTread, a sleek, automated fitness and wellness innovation designed to keep you feeling slim, sexy, and energetic. It's so easy. You simply take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and iTread starts automatically. The secret is iTread's intelligent 3-zone sensor system with automated speed control. Walking in the middle zone maintains a constant speed that you set. The front zone automatically speeds up your pace to a jog for maximum calorie burn. And the back zone slows you down to a gentle and easy walk when you're ready to stop and step off safely. iTread features a quiet yet powerful bipolar motor. Plus, it's a quarter the weight of traditional treadmills, 5 centimeters thick, and stores virtually anywhere. Research has proven that walking can boost your immunity to protect you from disease, lose weight, improve sleep, strengthen muscles and bones, ease joint pain, boost your mood, energy and brain health, reduce stress, lower the risk of diabetes and high blood pressure, promote a better sex life, and the more steps you can take a day, the longer you'll live. So forget about rainy days and busy schedules or going out to that overcrowded gym and using old, outdated, sweaty equipment. It's time to keep your family safe and healthy in the comfort of your own home. Try iTread in your own home for 30 days risk-free for only $14.99. That's right, only $14.99. But wait, there's more! Call right now and we'll give you the groundbreaking muscle-oscillating Power Fit. Yours absolutely free. Lose weight, gain strength and tone up in as little as 3 minutes a day, 4 times a week with Power Fit. And it's yours absolutely free. Just pay separate processing and handling. So what are you waiting for? Call now 0800 102 777. This offer is not available in stores, so call 0800 102 777 right now.